Check out this Dodge Challenger Demon I got at Stop and Shop of all places. It's a die-cast pullback. So you pull back the wheels and the wheels spin. This is a sharp looking Dodge Challenger. It's about 5 or 6 inches long, your standard 1/32 die-cast collectible. Check it out. The detail on it is amazing. It's got that Dodge Challenger scoop on the front, which is cool. Look at the detail on the lights. And look at that. It's got the little Demon logo on there. It's got the black rims. Doors open. I don't know if you could see inside there. It's so cool. The door opens too. Let's take a look in there. Yeah. I don't know if you could see inside there. The detail is incredible. And look at that. It says Dodge on the back. It says SRT, but it's a Demon. And here's what the undercarriage says. That's the original sticker. Looks like Fortune makes this. The sticker says not for children under 3. That's the price, $5.99. Let me remove the sticker so we could see everything it says underneath. So let's take a look at that. So underneath it says RMZ City Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 2018 FCA something. So these cars are sold loose, no box, in the store, and they're the pullback kind where you say they pull them back. The detail on it is amazing. It's beautiful. I mean, look at that. It's even got the fender skirts on it, which that's a it's actually a wide body kit, which is cool. The Dodge Challenger wide body. I mean, a car like this in real life is probably about close to $70,000 to $100,000 depending on your options. But I love the new Dodge Challenger. It's old school muscle with today's technology. It's a sharp looking car. You can't go wrong with this. This is beautiful. And so this is like one of the best cars they had at the Stop and Shop. And you know, you never know where you're gonna see these die-cast cars. So when you see one you like, just buy it, because you're not going to see it again. I'm telling you right now. Do I like it? Yes. Do I recommend it? Absolutely. So, yeah, I like the color. I like the orange with the black. Some people like to put stripes on the sides and stuff. I like it exactly the way it is. It's cool. Fun. Recommend, yes.